Our northeastern snowstorm is moving through tomorrow, followed by a potential record-breaking snowstorm in the south. And of course, we will have Arctic air moving in during this time period that could set records in some areas. All right, we have a lot to talk about. Let's get into it. Beginning tomorrow afternoon, we will see a snow system moving through the mid-Atlantic and up towards the northeast coast. I wanted to take a look at our latest HRRR because I do believe it's doing pretty well with these projections. This is somewhere between what the Euro and the GFS thinks. And again, I do think there still is an opportunity for some snow even into southern Jersey. Although our heaviest snow bands look to set up through this corridor, and it could be about 4 to 7 inches just inland. As this snow moves north into New England, you can see the main snow band does want to make it off into the coast right around Maine. And right now the HRRR does think 6 to 8 inches is possible in cities like Boston, with potentially 4 to 6 in New York City. The only real area up here in New England that looks like it may just see a rain or sleet event would be Cape Cod. And you can see here our Euro's in pretty decent agreement with the latest HRRR, which is good to see. This is our latest European ensemble, and although you can see these totals are a little bit lower, that's because it's including runs that do not really see much snow at all. But what this model does agree with the last Euro I showed you and the HRRR is where they expect the snow to fall. As we push into Tuesday and Wednesday, of course, here comes our next system in the south. And like I expected them to, the models are trending a little bit to the north. This right here is our national blend of models. This takes the best runs from all of our models and averages them out. That's why it's widely considered one of the best forecasts to look at ahead of a snowstorm. And one big thing that has changed over even the last 12 hours is this 2 to 5 inch line has shifted far to the north, including areas like Atlanta, upstate South Carolina, Charlotte, Birmingham, Alabama, central Mississippi, almost all of Louisiana. And while we still may see the system move to the south, the national blend moving north means there are a lot of models that see that trend continuing. We still need a little bit more time to really nail down the exact pathing of this system on Tuesday and Wednesday and the snow totals. But again, this is an interesting trend and I'm going to keep you updated on it. The last thing I wanted to show you guys is our temperature anomalies moving into the beginning of next week. Where you see these purples and pinks, these are temperatures anywhere from 20 to up to 50 degrees below average. And this is happening in the 3rd week of January, which historically and on average is the coldest week of the year in the Northern Hemisphere. This is why we realistically could see some records broken across the states. All right, guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a sub. I make posts like this every single day and I stream every single night. I'll see you in the next video.